Now, microbes most often have to live in shared habitats, and these can be symbiotic or non-symbiotic. If they're symbiotic, they live in a close association and nutritional relationship with other organisms. When two organisms live together, and this close partnership is required by both of the members or at least by one of them. That's symbiosis. There are three types of symbiosis. There's mutualism. This is obligatory and dependent where both members benefit, and you see this in the Cassiopeia jellyfish and the dinoflagellates. Commensalism, only the commensal benefits. The other member is neither harmed nor benefit. And you see here Staphylococcus and Haemophilus. Parasitism, the parasite benefits, and it's dependent on the host. The host is harmed by the parasite. So any virus that invades human cells is a parasite. It's an obligate intracellular parasite. The only way it can survive is by being in that human cell. Now, non-symbiotic relationships are not required for survival. Organisms are free living. They may cooperate and share nutrients, and sometimes they can be inhibited or destroyed by others in the relationship. And this would be your biofilms that we're going to look at in just a minute. This is showing mutualism where the Cassiopeia jellyfish, it gets its color and nutrition from the dinoflagellates. They both benefit. Here you have root nodules on a legume, and it's Bradyrhizobodium, and they are nitrogen fixing bacteria inside that nodule. And the plant benefits the legume because it's able to get nitrogen, which is one of its essential nutrients that it has to have. Commensalism is what you see here in these satellite Haemophilus colonies that are clustered around that white line of growth, the Staphylococcus, and those Haemophilus colonies absorb their growth factors that are given off by that Staphylococcus. So they benefit, and it doesn't harm or help the Staphylococcus. Parasitism is what you see here in the hantavirus, which is a pathogen that's carried in the waste of mice, and they invade cells and take over the function of the cells. Now, biofilms, objective 10, I told you we would look at these in a minute. This is when organisms attach to a substrate by some form of extracellular matrix, and it binds them all together in complex organized layers, so it's mixed communities of organisms. And these dominate the structure of most of the natural environments on Earth. They're estimated to contribute to 80% of chronic infections, and they're resistant to most antibiotics. Now, the interrelationship between microbes and humans, the human body is a rich habitat for symbiotic bacteria, fungi, and a few protozoa. These are called our normal microbiota, or our normal flora. And this is on our skin and in our alimentary canal or digestive tract. There are commensal, parasitic, and synergistic relationships between these microbes and humans.